Many people install rooftop solar panels assuming they never have to think about them again. This fit and forget mindset usually results in homeowners quietly losing thousands of dollars in potential energy savings over the life of the system. This chart shows the projected efficiency of a solar array over a 25-year lifespan. Without routine intervention, the system's ability to generate power steadily drops until it fails entirely. But with regular maintenance, that output stays high, protecting your return on investment. To keep that line steady, we need to monitor the 4 main areas where these systems fail. We will look at the modules on the roof, the inverter on the wall, the cable connections, and the actual math on your monthly utility bill. Before you begin this inspection, you need to gather 3 things. Find your safety gear, grab a pen and a notebook, and pull your recent power bill. Spending just 5 minutes to complete this visual baseline check will ensure your system generates the power you expect. It also guarantees your home remains structurally safe and that you continue to qualify for government solar subsidies. Step 1 of this process is establishing clear boundaries. Today, you are conducting a visual-only inspection. You will look and you will document. Any physical repairs or component replacements are strictly reserved for certified experts. Solar panels generate high-voltage direct current electricity the moment the sun hits them. This power is enough to cause severe electrocution, which is why you must protect yourself and never touch exposed wiring. If you are going up to a sloped roof, you must wear the proper protective equipment. That includes a safety harness securely anchored, protective glasses, a hard hat, and heavy insulating rubber gloves. An active rooftop array is a live power plant. Approaching it with that level of caution ensures a simple visual check remains entirely safe. Now that we are safely on the roof, we start with the solar modules. Because they sit completely exposed to the weather year-round, they take the brunt of the environmental damage. Over time, a thick layer of dust and dirt settles across the glass. This physical barrier blocks sunlight from reaching the photovoltaic cells, lowering your energy output. You will need to schedule routine, gentle water cleanings to wash this away. Next, look for overgrown tree branches. A branch that didn't exist when the system was installed 2 years ago might now cast a shadow directly over your array during peak afternoon hours. Finally, scan the surface of the glass itself. Look closely for microcracks, deep scratches from extreme weather, or heavy debris left behind by a recent storm. Panels are typically wired together in a series. If a single panel is covered by a shadow or severely cracked, it reduces the flow of electricity for that entire interconnected line. One damaged module creates a bottleneck for the rest. Leaving the roof, we move down to the wall-mounted hardware, known as the balance of systems. The most important component here is the inverter, which acts as the brain of your setup, converting the raw power into electricity your house can use. Look directly at the inverter's digital display screen. Check for any active warning lights glowing red or yellow, and write down any specific numeric fault codes flashing on the monitor. Inspect the thick cables running into and out of the unit, along with the exterior breaker boxes. You are looking for frayed insulation, connections that have pulled loose, or signs of rodent damage. Those flashing fault codes are the hardware's only way of signaling an internal error. Recording exactly what you see on the screen tells a certified technician exactly what needs to be repaired. With the physical inspection complete, we move to the final and most important step of the maintenance cycle: documentation. Open your maintenance notebook, record today's date, note the condition of the roof panels, and write down any codes you found on the inverter. Keep this log in a safe, permanent place. This side-by-side graphic shows how to verify your system's performance. Take the total energy generation number recorded by your inverter and match that number against the solar credit listed on your monthly utility bill. If the utility company isn't properly crediting your account, or if your system is slowly losing efficiency, your wallet takes the hit. Regularly checking the math on paper is the only way to catch these silent financial losses. You have successfully completed your baseline visual inspection. You now possess a definitive health record for your system, giving you a clear starting point to measure future performance against. Your next steps are straightforward. If the panels were simply dirty, schedule a standard water cleaning. If you logged physical damage to the glass, chewed cables, or an active fault code, hand your notebook to a certified expert for repairs. By taking ownership of this simple, routine checklist, you prevent minor issues from becoming major failures. Your solar array remains a resilient, high-yield asset for its entire 25-year lifespan.